What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube? Back at it again here in the garage, trying to get this 71 Chevelle build complete. Well, not necessarily complete, but certain parts of it complete. But yeah, man, I've been making some good progress. Things are going great. I'm about maybe uh, maybe a day or two away from firing this thing up. Today is Wednesday, so I would say by Friday I should be ready to fire this thing up. What I did is I got all the wiring in. My Terminator X Max is all installed. I got that in. Transmission's all wired in and plugged in and hooked up. All I'm waiting for now is I could actually fire it up, but I don't have my American Auto Wire installed, so I didn't really want to do the trigger thing and the push button and all that. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just get at least the American Auto Wire put in, and connect my ignition. So I got my new steering column in. I got the cables and the wires for that. I'm just gonna hook that up so I can turn the key and fire this thing up. But yeah, I've been busy, man. I've been super busy. Then also I had some other things that came up that I had to attend to, some medical things. So I was gone for, I don't know, maybe 10 days. So yeah, but that's a whole nother story there. But yeah, anyway, let me show you what I got going here. So yeah, as you can see, man, I got the engine bay is all dialed in. I did take my radiator cover off, and I had to paint my my bolts. I didn't like the bolts; they were like silver like that, and I didn't like that at the top. So radiator cover sitting over there. But so yeah, I just painted the bolts there. I don't know if I mentioned this on my other video or a previous one, but I got these new looking. I don't know. This one here is kind of weird. It came with the positive in red and the negative in red. Man, I've never seen that. It's kind of weird that it's like that, but you would think most of them come positive in red, and then the negative is in black. But on this one, like the song says, some people doing their own thing. But yeah, and then I got my my breaker installed in there. Look at that bad baby. Ooh, put some time and effort in that. If you can see here, I had to, because I put the deals on there. I don't want to take it apart, but once I put those the deals in there that go in there and the cable in here, the bolts were sticking too far out. So I had to take my plastic piece here that's covering it up, drill the hole out so that the bolts just kind of barely protrude. I'll get right up on it so you can see it. So now I was able to get my cover over the bolts there. But yeah, she's looking good, man. I'm really waiting to see this thing fire up. And then again, of course, I built my first relay panel. It's not perfect. It's not the prettiest, but it's gonna work for me, for sure. And then I got them labeled here just so I don't forget. But yeah, you can see here, that's for the fuel pump. That's for fan 1, fan 2, and then transmission fan, which I got right here. That's where my transmission fan sits at, right there, with the 6A fittings on there. And I'm using the supplied temperature sensor right there. I think that thing kicks off at 180 or something like that. It kicks in at like 180 and then goes off at like 165 or somewhere around there. But yeah, man, she is coming along. I had to throw my seat back in just because I wanted to try to line up. You see that? Ooh, man. All electric, man. All electric. She's looking nice. But yeah, if you can see, I had to, I was lining up my floor shifter here. I'm getting ready to get that thing. I'm going to install that probably. I might even mess with that today. I might get that down in today. Just depends. But yeah, you can see, I don't know if it's kind of dark. Let me see. I'm going to go to the other side. Let me go to the other side. Okay, here. So yeah, so you can see here, got my wires all wired up. They're just laying down here now, waiting for the ECU to be plugged in, and then the switch power, and all that to be connected to the ignition. And then I'll be ready to fire this thing up today, or not today, but fire this thing up here in a couple days. But so today my plan is gonna go and get me some. I need to go and get some gas. I'm gonna put some gas in this brand new tank for the first time and see, what I can do. Well, I already what I really want to do is I want to put some gas in there, and then I really want to just give some power to that pump in there, that new 450 Warbo fuel pump I got in there. I want to give some power to that thing just so that I can check for leaks. I don't want to fire this thing up or start, fire it up and try to hear it running. And while I'm trying to hear it run for the first time in a long time, I'm having gas leaks, because then I got to stop, fix the leaks, then try to start it again and do all that back. I don't want to do the back and forth stuff. So I'm thinking what I might do is I might go and put a little bit of gas in that tank, take the power wire, just touch it to the battery from the fuel pump, and just let it just cycle just a little bit and get some fluid in the lines, and then it should hold pressure. I'm not 100%, but it should hold pressure. I don't know why it wouldn't. Once I pull the wire off, it should, whatever's in there should hold pressure. And then I want to see if I can check for some leaks. I'm not necessarily looking for the right amount of pressure. I just want to make sure there's no leaks so I can move on with other things, and I can deal if it's not the correct pressure, which I don't think is going to be anyway, because it's not like it's going to be running. It's just going to be, or the motor is going to be running. It's just going to be the pump pushing fuel through the lines and through the rails. Yeah, so I want to make sure my rails and all that are good to go. So anyway, I just wanted to stop by, share a quick short video with you and give you a quick update on where I'm at. If I do that today, I will come back with another video and give an update on the fuel line pressure, see if everything held up. Yeah, I'll do that. If I get to it, I will. If not, then I'll have to hit you up on the next one. All right, peace out.